So in terms of sales update with the condominium, we're now just over 25% sold out. Our most popular unit being the 58 square metre one bed. Building B, we are around 80% sold on foreign ownership, so we don't have any units left available in foreign quota in that building. With the start of construction just happening now, I think that sales are going to move quickly, so come on down, see what we've got left available for you. Sales on the villas are going very well. We are now 11 units sold, so as just around 50%. We do have the models in the office now, so come down and have a look. This gives you a much better insight into how our Type A and Type B are laid out, with the ground floor of both units the same layout, but the second floor giving you that option of 3 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms. Here you can see the model for the 5-bedroom unit. Again, it'll give you the idea of, you can actually change the ground floor to delete 1 bedroom, so you can end up making this a larger 4-bedroom unit. We do have around 8 or 9 plots on the project where you can get the additional guest house. So come down, see Em in the sales office, and she can explain to you which plots have the Type A or B option, or the Type C, and which plots have got the additional guest house option. So as you've seen earlier in the video, we had our blessing ceremony this morning. That's due to the fact that we're just about to start construction, keeping in with Thai traditions. You might be able to see them in the far behind me, the pipes and the manholes for the roads for the villas. And then over to my left here, which you probably won't be able to see, we've had 180 piles delivered this morning. That's to start the piling on 17 of our villas to start off with. Initially, we're going to start on plots 25 and 26, which will be our 2 show villas, which will be a Type B and a Type C. The 2 show villas will be finished around October, November time, we're hoping. Where I'm stood is the basement for the condo. We'll start digging this out on Tuesday or Wednesday, and so this will take about a month to dig out, and once we've done that, we'll start putting the structure up. The structure will take about 6 months. The road is now ready to concrete. I've been told that by the end of June the entire road will be done. So if you are coming in with clients or as an agent to view what we've got going on, please still come in through 𝗧𝘆𝗽𝗲 on Jomtien 2nd Road, or 𝗧𝘆𝗽𝗲 or 9 or 17 off 𝗃𝗏𝗃 Road. Those accesses are still available.